guys, so this is Freetress Barbadian Braid. I bought 5 packs in the color number 2, and I think this hair is about 22 inches. The hair was easy to install. It wasn't the easiest hair I've ever installed, but it was pretty simple. That was just me showing you my braid pattern. I did this style on some old braids, as you can see, like dang. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this install. It's been a minute since I did a crochet video, so I wanted to come up on here and show you guys the crochet video. And as you guys know, you can stay tuned for the review because that will be coming. I love this hairstyle so much. I've been getting so many compliments. I can't wait to fill you guys in on how the hair has been doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I did do the invisible method, which it's been a while since I did crochet. So this time around, I don't know, the invisible method, it seems so difficult this time. I don't know, it just took me forever to do it. So yeah, there's that. But for my crochet installs, I always like to start with the back and then work my way up towards the front. I don't know, this is just how I've been doing it for years. So if y'all always see me starting in the back, that's why. But for the back, like the zigzag method that I usually do, I wish that I would have did more braids because it's really spaced out and you can tell. So I mean, it works, but it looks a little off at certain angles, like if the hair is a certain way. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. All right, you guys, what's up? This is the finished look. This is the Freetress Barbadian Braid. I bought 5 packs and I got them in a color number 2. I can't remember how much the packs were. I miss when they would keep the tag on the price so I could just be like, it was this much. I got 5 packs and this is how much I have left. So yeah, the 5 packs was usually worth it. I started back getting 5 packs because I would get 6 packs and I always would just have that 6-pack just sitting there. So I did not think I was gonna like this hair and I love it. It is so cute. Some of the strands I pulled apart once for the invisible part that I did. Y'all, I be struggling doing the invisible method. It be taking me so long and I kind of felt out of place this time doing crochet because I've been doing wig videos for so long. So yeah, I probably would say this is like 22 inches. Let me show y'all what it looked like real quick, or where it comes down to. So here's the other part. So they come down there. I just trimmed off the stragglies and I had a knot in there, so I took that down. I did my edges with this Arcani coil care, this edge control. It lasts for a long time. It is amazing, and it's black owned, so I highly recommend. But that is it for this video, you guys. Stay tuned for a review. A review is coming. It definitely is. I would say this took me probably like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I started at like 9:30. I started at 9:30 and I went upstairs like 11:38 is when I looked at the clock next. So yeah, and then I did it on like some old braids. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Like if you're interested in seeing a review, like if you liked the video, like if you didn't like the video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.